In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage comments in Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Once you're there, select the page you want to manage. This ensures you're working in the right place from the start, especially if you handle more than one page. Next, head to the inbox. Inside the inbox, switch to the Comments tab. This is where the magic happens. The Comments tab brings together comments from both Facebook and Instagram, so you don't have to jump between apps or devices. You'll see everything in one clean, centralized view, which makes it much easier to keep track of conversations and stay on top of engagement. When you click into a comment, you have several helpful actions at your fingertips. Use reply to respond directly and publicly. This is ideal for answering questions, thanking people for feedback, or clarifying details. Aim for timely, friendly replies to show you're attentive and build trust with your audience. If a full response isn't needed, you can choose like or react to acknowledge the comment quickly. A simple like can go a long way toward encouraging more engagement without adding noise. You'll also see options to hide or delete. Hiding keeps the comment invisible to most people while preserving it for your own records, which can be useful if the comment is off topic or contains sensitive information you don't want to spotlight. Deleting removes it entirely. Use this when a comment clearly violates your standards or doesn't belong on your page. If a comment is unwanted or malicious, select Mark as spam. This helps keep your space clean and signals to the system that similar content should be filtered out. It's a good practice for repeated, low-quality posts or obvious spam. To stay organized, use filters at the top of the Comments tab. Unread helps you focus on items you haven't addressed yet. Assigned is useful if your team designates specific comments to particular people, so nothing gets missed. Flagged highlights comments you want to review later that may need a more thoughtful response. These filters create a simple workflow. Clear the unread first, check anything assigned to you, and circle back to flagged items for deeper attention. The best part is that all of this happens right inside Meta Business Suite. You can moderate, sort, and respond quickly without ever leaving the platform, saving time and keeping your process consistent. That's it. Now you know how to manage comments in Meta Business Suite with confidence and speed.